Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's video is the Ratmen Cleric from One Page Rules Age of Fantasy quest game. They were black and white zenithally primed. I get started with Night Blue for the cape and the tabard. As you can probably tell as well, I managed to knock my camera arm when I started recording and just push the focus out slightly. Unfortunately, I didn't notice this until I started editing the video. I'm going to try and get another video finished as a replacement, but if you are listening to this, that means I didn't get it done in time. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. To start bringing up the mid-tone for the blue now, I went over all of the raised and flat areas facing upwards with Witching Hour blue. Finishing the blue, I brought up the edges and uppermost parts with Leviathan blue. Getting the tunic base coated now, I grabbed warm grey and gave them a quick once over. Adding in the first highlight on the grey, I went over the tops and the edges with rock grey. Pushing the grey up some more, I grabbed Trooper White and went over the tops of the folds. Now to get the base and the head done, I used burnt umber to start off with. To highlight the head, I went over the bulk of it with Noble Steed Brown, just leaving that darker tone in the recesses. For the rest of the skin that isn't covered in fur, these parts get base coated with Dwarven skin. Adding a quick highlight on the skin, I went over the edges with Elven skin. Next up, I get all the metal parts done with plate armour. I'm doing this first just to make it a bit easier to do the belt buckles, as I can paint the leather straps in afterwards. Now for the remaining details and the leather parts, I went over them with British Khaki. Getting some variation on the leather parts, I used golden brown just to bring up the edges. the washes, I start off with a thinned down dark tone wash over the metals and the grey parts. The second wash I used is light tone wash, which goes over all of the leather and skin parts. And that will be it for the Ratmen Cleric. As with the Ranger, I just added some mud texture and some tufts to the base just to finish it off. Thank you for watching, and again I'm sorry about the focus issues, but hopefully this video still helps someone get this mini painted and up on the table. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.